Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. From here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the AirPlay and continuity. Now from here, you have to tap on automatic AirPlay. So right now I have accidentally or by default it might have set into never. So what you need to do is you have to change this to automatic. After changing this to automatic, what you need to do is you have to go over here, go to the control center here, and right now you can see there is an icon kind of that looks like a rectangle kind of thing, so you have to tap on it. Now the screen mirroring device will be popping up here, so you can connect back to this. And also while doing this, make sure that this particular iPhone and the opposite device are connected on the same Wi-Fi. They should be on the same network. If they're on the different, then you'll be having the trouble. So make sure both this iPhone and what I'm trying to pair it with the screen mirroring also should be on the same Wi-Fi, and you'll be popping up over here. Then you have to connect it, and this is how we can do it. So this is as simple as it is, and this is how we can screen mirror. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.